Hello, my name is Dr. Ryan from West Heights Chiropractic Clinic. Today I'm going to talk to you about a common question that has some people nervous about seeing a chiropractor. What makes that crackling noise when an adjustment is delivered? While some people may get nervous about the pop that an adjustment can produce, the sound is not coming from the bones themselves. It's coming from a lubricant called synovial fluid that's found in every joint. That fluid contains dissolved gases. Shifting the joint with an adjustment into proper motion and alignment releases the built-up pressure that has resulted from the joint being subluxated. This causes a shifting of the fluid and gases in the joint to make a crackling noise. For example, when you open up a pop can, the pressure built up inside of the can is released and causes a crackling noise. It's much the same with a chiropractic adjustment. Not all patients hear this noise. It depends on the technique and direction of force the chiropractor is using. It's not a sign of the adjustment is working or not working. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.